in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on your computer. Yes, that's right, you can actually use WhatsApp on your desktop. You've still got to have WhatsApp on your mobile phone though, so you can't be without, but you can do it on your computer. It is very useful. You can type with your keyboard. Life's easy. Anyway, watch the video. So, first step is to look for WhatsApp. So search for it in Google. Go to download WhatsApp. Accept the cookies. Okay, so we've got this bit that says Mac or Windows PC. So this is what we're going to be downloading. So go to download for Windows. Wait for it to download. It's now downloaded. So open up wherever it's been downloaded, which will be probably your downloaded folder. So, and then double click on it. So it's the WhatsApp setup application that you're going to be using. You can see it's now working. Now you need to go to WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the menu, which is the three dots. And then now on the screen it tells you to go to settings. Don't do that. Go to linked devices. You've now got an option to link a device, so click on that. I need to unlock my phone to be able to do this, so it says unlock to link a device, so I'll use my fingerprint. And now I need to scan the code on the computer screen. I've scanned the code on the screen and WhatsApp is now working on my computer. To use WhatsApp on your computer, you must keep your phone connected. So that means that you must have your phone turned on and that your phone must have internet signal as well. So whether this be 4G or 5G or Wi-Fi, which I'd recommend, it must just always be on. To launch WhatsApp, well, it's already created a little desktop icon here, so you just double click on this to launch it. Alternatively, if you go into your start menu and you type WhatsApp, it will appear. So you just click on it and it will launch. Once you've launched it, it will sit down here at the bottom in the taskbar. If you right click on it, you can pin to taskbar, so it always stays down there. Something else though, when you're using WhatsApp on your computer, you can make phone calls and video calls using it. So pick a person you want to speak to and simply for video call, click on the video call icon, and for a phone call, click on the voice call icon as well. As always, thanks for watching the video. If you can subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic. It all helps. Like, comment. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Happy WhatsApping.